Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to trade binary options in a profitable way. You can implement this strategy while you are trading binary options. You just need to watch this video carefully and see what I am doing, and you can practice that in your demo account or practice account. I've also provided a link in the description of this video for IQ options. If you don't have an account, you can sign up from there and practice this strategy and see whether it can become profitable for you or not. So now, without doing any delay, let's get started. So now I'll talk less and I'll tell you everything, how I am trading, how I am investing, what I am doing. I'll tell you everything. Just keep patience and keep on watching. So I'll firstly invest $100 in this trade and I will click on call if market falls down. It didn't fail down, still I made a trade by clicking on call and I have got a good entry point. So now I'll pause so that expiration time remains up to 5 seconds so that you can see the result. So now expiration time is 2 second, 1 second. Yes, and we made a profit. So I'll tell you how I executed trade from here, how I knew why to put call here, why to click call here. I'll tell you about that after some time. Just keep on watching video. Now my profit is $82. Now I'll invest in another currency pair, $182. So I'll make a trade by clicking on call here. So I'll pause the video. So now the expiration time is 4 seconds. Let's see what happens in this trade. So we made a profit in this trade too. So now our total profit is 151. So now I can execute three thought trade or I can stop here. So what I did was I invested $100 and made a $82 profit, and I invested $182 and made a 151 profit. That means this 151 is a total profit plus $82. So that means I have crossed the $200 profit from just two trades. So that means I risked my $100 and I made a profit of 200%. So if I lose if I lose $100 tomorrow, then I'll again make another $100 on next day. So if I lose $100, I will stop trading for that day, and if I made profit, then also I will stop trading. So I am trading on the basis of 1:2 risk to reward. So now how I am executing trade, now I'll show you that. So as you can see, here are two red candles, and after two red candles here, third is forming red. So I can see that two red candle was formed here, and then this type of candle was formed. Now this would be my assumption, and I would invest in call. So I made a trade by clicking on call here because I am taking reference of these two candle. So whenever two candle is forming, another candle is green. You can see here also. So this is not a crystal clear signal, but it gives your it makes your mind stress free while making trade. So as you can see, I think I'm going to become wrong in this trade. So this will happen. You cannot keep on making profit while trading binary options. Okay, I made a loss here. Now let me check in another. So here are three red candles. Now I'll see what happens after three red candle have formed. Here you can see three red candle have formed and another green, this type of candle has formed. Now that means if market is below, I'll click on call, and if market reaches at the top, then I'll click on lower by seeing this candle. So now let's see what is happening here. So I'll make a trade by clicking on. So I made a mistake. Now I'll most probably go wrong because it may go up and make a wick here also. But let's see what happens. So I'll pause this video. So as you can see now 5-second expiration time is remaining and we are going right in this trade. So this is a stress-free strategy to trade binary options. I use several this kind of strategy to trade binary options because I know indicators also sometime work, sometime doesn't work. Everything works for some time and everything don't work for some time. That's why I create my own strategy and trade, and I am still profitable while trading binary options, and you can use those kind of strategy to trade. Now after 3 candles, I didn't watch here, after 3 candles it is red, so that means I got a signal to click on put here. As you can see, here is 3 green candle and after that there was a red candle. So by taking this reference, I made a trade here. Now let's see what happens in this trade. So I can go wrong in this trade. So basically I don't think much and I rely on strategy, and I keep on trading day to day by implementing this strategy, and I keep on become profitable in long run. So now let's trade here. So as you can see, a green candle has formed. Now I can see here a green candle was formed and after that another green candle was formed. Similarly here also one green candle was formed and another was also green. So this gives me a single signal to make trade on call, but it already moved up. So let me see here. So I couldn't make trade here. So guys, in this way you need to trade. So for example, in case of investment, if you are confused, so I'm investing $100 and my profit would be $183. Now I'll invest another, that would be my first trade, and if I lose that trade, I'll stop trading. And if I made profit in this trade, then I'll invest total $183. So I have already got my $83 profit. Now I'll invest $183. Now my total profit would be $151 plus this $83. That means it had crossed $200 profit, and I'll stop trading for that day. And even if I lose this trade, then I'll stop trading for that day. Now you can start investing from $1 also if you feel risky, or $10. It's your choice, but trade in that way and trade it in firstly in practice account and see if it has a potential to make you profit in long run or not. So I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, don't forget to comment in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to answer your query, and like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.